Welcome to our comparison of the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the Euhomy Compact Dryer. Today, we will explore the features of both products, their specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Whether you live in a small apartment, a dorm, or an RV, both of these appliances offer unique solutions for your laundry tasks. Let's dive in. The BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine serves as a washing machine, providing a total capacity of 17.6 pounds, with 11 pounds dedicated to washing and 6.6 pounds for spinning. It features 3 wash modes and a soaking function, making it versatile for various laundry needs. In contrast, the Euhomy Compact Dryer is designed specifically for drying clothes, with a capacity of 1.8 cu, 4 and 7 drying modes, including Eco and Anti-Wrinkle. This makes the Euhomy a complete drying solution, while the BANGSON requires air drying after washing. When it comes to pricing, the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine is priced at $139, making it an affordable option for those looking for a washing solution. On the other hand, the Euhomy Compact Dryer is priced at $239, reflecting its additional features and drying capabilities. Therefore, if budget is a concern, the BANGSON may be the better choice, while the Euhomy offers more functionality at a higher price point. Both the BANGSON and Euhomy products are designed for portability, making them ideal for small living spaces. The BANGSON washing machine features a compact design with dimensions of 25.6 inches, WX 14.2 inches, LX 28.8 inches H, while the Euhomy dryer measures 20.3 inches, WX 21.7 inches, LX 29.9 inches H. Their lightweight and compact nature allows for easy movement and storage, making them perfect for apartments, dorms, and RVs. In conclusion, both the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the Euhomy Compact Dryer provide excellent solutions for laundry in limited spaces. If you're looking for an affordable washing option, the BANGSON is a great choice. However, if you need a reliable drying solution, the Euhomy is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.